Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. This is your coach, Mr. Magnifico. Today we're going to continue with Module 2, Lesson 1. This is Part 2. I think this is Part 2. Okay, now let's get right into it. If you look at this multiplication, they both have zeros. So you can break this down into a decomposition that will look like this. 43 times 10. So now this will be 43 times 10. That will be our decomposition. This one will be 3 times 10. So now why do we do that? We do that because when we write it like this, 43 tenths, it becomes a little easier to multiply, times 3 tenths. So in this manner, you can multiply 3 times 3 equals 9, and 3 times 4 equals 12. So now what is left to do is to multiply the tens. So when you multiply 10 times 10 equals 100. So this is going to be 129 times, or let's write it better yet. I think it's going to be 129 hundredths, or times 100. So our total for this multiplication will be 430 times 30. I'm just rewriting the multiplication. It's going to be 129 and 2 zeros, which means it was multiplied by 100. So the answer is 12,900. Okay, let's get into another problem. How about, what if our number is 830 times 20? Well, we will follow the same procedure. We will decompose this number into 83 times 10. And the 20 will also be 2 times 10. So that will be the decomposition. Those are the two numbers that make it. Now again, that makes it easier for us to write it in this manner. So we have 83 tenths times 2 tenths. And do you see how the multiplication simplifies? That way you only have to multiply this. 2 times 3 equals 6. So I'm going to write the answer here. And 2 times 8 equals 16. Now you got to multiply 10 times 10. That will equal 100. So that means times 100. Or in other words, you can write it like this as well. 166 hundredths. And the standard form, that will be the unit form. The standard form will be the 166 and 2 zeros, because it's multiplied by 100. So then you're going to say that the answer is 16,600. Alright, let's go over one more problem to see if this helps make this a solid understanding of how to multiply numbers to have zeros. What if our number is 4,400 times 400? We will follow the same procedure. This number can be decomposed by 44, and you can ask yourself, like, what number do I use right here? Well, you remember that a number that has 2 zeros is 100. That's where that comes from. Okay? And 400 as well, we're gonna decompose it. The 4 is here, times how many zeros do you see? Well, 2. The only number that has 2 zeros is 100. Now we can rewrite that as units. 44 hundredths times 4 hundredths. As you can see now, it is multiply. The 4 times 4 equals 16. You carry 1 over. 4 times 4 equals 16 plus 1 equals 17. And now we know that we have to multiply the hundreds and the hundreds. And these two make 100 times 100 equals a 1 with 4 zeros, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, which will be 10,000. Now, the answer is going to be 176 times 10,000, correct? 10,000. And when you total this, it's going to be the same number and the number of zeros. How many do you have? 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you count the periods. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we know the answer is 1,760,000. Okay, my friends, make sure you watch these videos. They are easy if you review them and to understand them. If you need more help, watch it again. Signing out, your coach, assisting you as much as I can, and you bring the best of who you are and become a better mathematician. Signing out.